Welcome to another session. In this video, we will learn implements versus inheritance versus mixin. If we are developing a Flutter application, we should have seen a lot of use cases for implements, extends, and with keywords. In this video, we will learn about this keyword and difference. First keyword, implements. Implements is for forcing behavior implementation via interface. In OOP, an interface is something that enforces the deriving class to implement set of list of public fields and methods. But unlike other traditional programming languages like C# and Java, important note, Dart does not have explicit interface type. Each class, by default, defines its own interface composed of public fields and methods. Dart does not have a syntax for declaring interface. So, every class can act as an interface in Dart. We use the implements keyword to implement the interface. Also, a class can implement multiple interfaces. Here is three classes, class A, class B, and class C. Class D implements class A, class B, and class C. There is no interface keyword to define interface in Dart language. Another keyword, extends. Extends is for sharing behavior via inheritance. In OOP, inheritance implies sharing of behavior between classes. The capacity of a class to derive properties and characteristics from another class is called inheritance. It is ability of a program to create new class from an existing class. That we use extends to create a subclass and super to refer to the superclass. Here is two class, class A and class B. Class C only extend class A. Dart only support single inheritance. So we cannot extend from multiple classes. Here class C cannot extend multiple class A and class B. Flutter does not allow multiple inheritance. Last and important keyword, with, for mixin. This is new keyword in Dart programming language. In OOP, mixin is a class that contains methods for use by other classes. Unlike the interface and inheritance approach, a mixin does not have to be the parent class of those other classes. Mixins are a way of reusing a class's method in multiple class hierarchies. Mixins can be understood as abstract classes used for reusing the methods in various classes that have similar functions or attributes. Mixin is a different type of structure which can only be used with the keyword with. Here is two mixin, mixin A and mixin B. Class C mix mixin A and mixin B with keyword with. If you want to overwrite this method, you can do. In Dart, a class can play the role of mixin if the class does not have constructor. It is also important to note that a mixin does not force a type restriction, nor it imposes uses restrictions on the class method. Here we see mixin does not allow constructor. Another note, enforcing mixin for a specific type. You can also enforce a mixin to be usable for certain types classes only by using on keyword when defining the mixin. Here mixin D enforce implementation class D. When you use mixin D, In this array, you can't do this. You can this mixin D in this way. First extend class D, then mixin Z. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.